Okay, hello everyone. Hey, this is Lavan. So today I am gonna talk about share my PPT with all of you, and I am also delighted to share the iconic presentation in front of all of you. So let's start. My topic name is why should we learn English. So let's go to first part. Yeah. My first part is global language. So firstly we will understand like what is global language. Global language is that if we have any language which is spoken in every country, every city and every state, so our English is also counted in that language, like global language. If we go any country, like to settle anywhere, like if we go Germany, Australia, to settle there, so we can use English language by which we can communicate with other people and we can settle there. So that's why English, we should learn English there. It is called global language. Okay, so next top part is career opportunity. English also that part which tells us like you can get your career opportunity by this language. If like you can also get multinational corporation. They will give you chance if you know learn if you know how to speak in English. They will give you chance they will give you chance. You can do work here and you will get good salary. You will get good salary like 2.1 lakh, 3 lakh, 90,000. These kind of salaries you will get. And second thing, you can also go to science labs, technology labs, by which you can learn there like how to make machines, how to operate some complicated machine. Okay, so by English language you can learn these kind of things. So it is also a career opportunity by which you can progress your career. So let's move to next part. My next part is access to information. Access to information. What is information? Information by which we can get mind things. But we can get our lots of the jobs by knowledge. So here are all from where do we get knowledge? From books, from mobile phones, from computer. Okay, so firstly we will talk about books. Here are lots of book which is written in English language. Okay, so English language is that if you don't know English language, so you can't all even read here some books which are useful. So you should learn English. So it is also in information English. So let's move to fourth part. My fourth part is travel and culture. If we travel anywhere, so we can also speak English there, by which we can manage our work. Okay, we can do anything there. If I talk about second, culture. So here in some countries, here are lots of cultures, like they have different culture. Every culture doesn't speak in their language, but here every culture doesn't speak in their language. They speak in English, so by which we can communicate with them and we can talk and we can live our comfort life. So this is also the part of English. We should learn English. That's why. And let's move to fifth part. That is global networking. It is the important part of this PPT. Global networking. English helps us to connect with networks, with digital devices. Okay, it helps us to connect, because whenever we use any device, so there is English words. Okay, as you would have also seen, there are English words. So we should learn English to recognize like which one, the how to use this, how to make this. So it is also called global networking. And if you want to gain your growth and gain your personal account, anything else, so you can do by the English. Okay, so this was my fifth part. Let's move to sixth part. Technology and media. What is technology? From software and anything hardware devices, you can use the English language. And here are also primary platforms, primary platform. On that you can use your English language. Easily, and you can get how to, you can come to know about that technology of anything. And here are also latest technology. They use primary English language. Okay, so that's why English is important. That technology and media. Next part is boosting confidence. This is also the main part, like boosting confidence. If we know English, and we are going to stage, and we speak, so we can gain our confidence, and confidence is the main thing by which you can gain your success. You can do anything. So by English you can also boost your confidence. Okay, so next, it is now it is the thought. Learning is not just about learning. It is also emotion, but it is emotion that you can even get something in your life, you can even become something in your life. So that's why we should learn. So this was my PPT. Thank you for your attention.